I needed to change my career path, and I was looking into starting a career in Salesforce. I was looking for a school or an institution where I could do a training. I just came in contact with CRS online, and I was like, okay, let me just fill up their inquiry form. And then for some reason, somebody reached out to me, and then that was how the journey started. I started my training with CRS Information Solution February 2021, and the training was hands-on training. So it was basically you working on Salesforce org, where you're going to be working if you get a job in a company that uses Salesforce. So you have an idea of what the org looks like, what you're going to be doing, how you're going to be doing it. And it was just so interesting that I actually told myself, yes, I learned this Salesforce, because I never had an IT background. So I just felt, okay, let me just learn this thing. Maybe it might work for me, maybe it might not work for me. But with the training, it made me more convinced that yes, you can do it, because it made it more easier to understand. And then also they give you interview questions that will prepare you for any interview that you decide to go for, and then for any certification as well that you want to go. They also give you materials that can assist you in learning and studying for the certification. And then also, for every time we finish a topic, the trainer always provides he always makes himself available for a weekend where we can come all together, ask questions, and they answer questions. Then if you still need any more clarification, you have an email that you can always contact the trainer to answer your questions. They give you a WhatsApp number that you can also contact. So there's always a form of communication with your trainer, and it was just so wonderful. And also, I have recommended my friends that are also interested in Salesforce, contact them to learn their Salesforce. And I also ask that if you really want to learn Salesforce, you can actually visit CRS Information Solution. You will not regret the decision. Thank you.